Biggest motoring event ever staged in Britain, the Daily Express meeting at Silverstone sees Britain's national racing car making a trial run of the circuit before its first racing appearance. The Duke of Edinburgh joins the 100,000 enthusiasts on the course for the day's big event, the International Trophy Race, as the BRM moves up to the start. They're off, but at the back of the field, the BRM fails to start. A heavy disappointment for everybody. The race goes on over 35 laps, making 105 miles of high-speed driving. And the national car is pushed off the track to watch the cars it might have beaten. Still, Britain's flag was carried high by 20-year-old Stirling Moss in car number 18. Without the BRM, the race was a foregone conclusion for the unbeaten Alfa Romeo team. And G. Farina, the fastest man in Europe, wins from his teammate Fangio by 2/5 of a second at 90.16 miles an hour.